Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis's AC Lab. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick setup tour. So as you can see, here's where I film all my videos, my desk, and all my tools down over here. And then this is a camera mount that I built myself right here. It's adjustable, so I can just take this out and then move it down to the next one. That. Then this also slides back and forth. So yeah, that's my camera, and then you can also see my drone and control and stuff, and then some IC codes and stuff here. Then you can see over here I have a multimeter, pencils and pins, glue, helping hand, 200 glue sticks. Well, they're not 200 anymore, but originally, yeah, that's some storage, boxes, things I've made. My soldering iron, I'll leave the link in the description, as well as my glue gun and iron for the monitor. So then down here I have my drawer where I keep all my tools and stuff. As you can see, I have my tools here. I have scissors, screwdrivers, X-Acto knives, all kinds of tools. I'll leave some of them linked in the description, and I have X-Acto knife blades, like 100 screws, just storage, glue sticks, balsa wood, some duct tape, notebook, and sandpaper. Okay, the next down here I have I'll keep all my supplies and stuff. And then that's basically about all for this setup video. So yeah, with that, that's about all for my setup tour video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like, I can do show you guys all my IC stuff and my planes and stuff that I've built. Because as you can probably imagine, I have quite a bit. So that's about all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.